Okay, we are back, and here is the towel that's been washed. But let me bring it up, get it out of the glare, and see how most of it did come off. You know, let me hang it on this. I'm here in my bathroom. Here, let me pause for just a second. Okay, right in here is an area. Let me see if this way is better. You can see that. Right in here is the area that has a little dark stain, but everything else, look at that, all came out. So that homemade laundry stain remover really does work pretty darn good. And this is what I used to dry my car when I went to a car wash where you have to do the self-dry and vacuum yourself. And I just wanted to do this as an experiment to show you that that homemade laundry detergent does work. Now, of course, I'm going to put this in, spray it again, put it in a hamper, and wash it again. More than likely it will come off, but it may not because it's already been dried. Hubby forgot that was in here, and he forgot to take it out before drying it. Because hubby does the laundry for our family. I'm not shorty, and I can't reach the washing machine to get the clothes out. But I fold and iron and put away. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.